Hi everybody, so today we're going to be talking about tax. We're talking about tax and how to file your tax return, okay? So we thought Happy was a good song to choose because Scampy's happy because we're doing his own tax return. So over to the mood for some important points on this topic.
Thank you very much, Serena. Thank you very much, Mr. Happy Scampy. So you might be thinking it's a bit early to think about tax returns. The tax season hasn't long that finished. We're actually in the midst of filing client tax returns already. Advantages are, you know what the tax you've got to pay next January will be. You know what you've got to put aside. You may even be in a refund situation. Gets that stress out of the way. We've put together a more detailed video guide and blog which tells you whether you've got to complete a return, what needs to go into the return, the information sources for that return, and the dates and how to make the payment. And if there are problems making the payment, what you should do with that. Hope you found this little video useful.
Okay guys, so don't put it off, get sorted today, get cracking. Head over to our website, have a look at the blog, listen to the video, like us on Facebook, LinkedIn. Come on guys, we know you're loving it, you're loving these dance moves, okay? In the meantime, proactive resolutions, turning your tax frowns
into smiles.
Ciao.
Ciao.